In a rural stretch of the Midwest, they warn of the windstorm, not just any storm, but a shrieking, unnatural wind that moves without clouds, rain, or warning. Locals say it arrives once every few years, sweeping through fields and towns in the dead of night. The air turns metallic, animals go silent, and static fills the house. People report hearing voices in the wind, whispers of loved ones long dead or cries for help that echo from nowhere. One family boarded their home, but in the morning their windows were blown in from the outside, and they were gone. No footprints, no sign of struggle, just silence. Some think it's government testing, others say it's older. Whatever it is, the wind remembers.